And as I said, like after 4 years, you brought 400 people together last year and this year. We're at the end of the second edition, which was even bigger. I would like to segue now to the closing remarks. Michael, what kind of a message would you like to give to these people?
Number 3 is a magical number. I already told you twice that you are crazy. Guess what? You are crazy, guys, and I'm crazy in love with all of you because it's amazing what a great community, what a great audience, what a great exhibitors, partners, hosts,
organizers.
Thank you. It's not easy. It's really not easy to put all together, and I'm very grateful and I'm very thankful to all of you. I said it yesterday. It's not only about the money. It's not only about the partnerships, about the logos, about the brands. It's mostly about the trust from everybody, because it's about the trust for big brands that we will not do some mess up and they are not risking their reputation. It's about the trust from speakers that they will have great audience, great conditions, they will have space to express themselves. And last but not least, it's about the audience, about the trust that if they come, if they pay for the travels, if they pay for the accommodation, they will learn something, get to know somebody new, and just leave with a great experience. So hopefully we were able to fulfill everything. If not, try next year again. I think that's all, yeah.
Awesome. And at this point, I would like to bring on stage 2 other people who are responsible for this conference. Tomas Barnas, please join us on stage. And Michal Kardos. Tomas, thank you so much. Michal, thank you so much. And guys, one more round of applause. Seriously, without these 3 guys, we wouldn't really be over here. And so Michael, Tomas, they have been on stage. Michael in the middle, he's been working so hard in the backstage, but without him, we wouldn't also be over here. So one more round of applause for Michael as well. Incredible contribution. And also to Cami in the back over there, can you wave? She was making sure that everything was running smoothly. And also, thank you so much, dear AV guys. You've been absolutely fantastic. I can't think of a more complicated conference from the technical and visual standpoint. You've done absolutely fantastic job. And also, I want to thank you all for...
We should not forget about you.
Thanks.
That's what I wanted to say.
This is an incredible host and an incredible moderator.
Thank you.
And I'm 100% sure that without him, there will be like much less energy, networking, and just the overall atmosphere. So thank you very much, Juraj.
Thank you,
Juraj.
Thank you so much. And just to wrap it up, we also promised you that we're going to give out a couple of prizes, right?
Yeah.
The first one was for the highest number of pictures, the most pictures that have been posted or actually uploaded to the Dropbox folder. So who is the winner?
I already mentioned her. It's Anna. She actually has like 5 names. So if you want, you can tell them all.
Anna, please join us over here on stage. And we do have this thing.
Anna, come here.
Yep. Okay. Woo.
Nikki.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mainly thanks to Michal and the other guys to doing this action, because it's absolutely incredible to meet you all guys. It's perfect motivation for any other work in the future. So thanks again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we also promise you've been incredibly active, by the way, folks. More than 500 questions have been posted. It's crazy, seriously, amazing engagement. More than 2,000 poll votes over the past 2 days. Incredible. Thank you so much to every single one of you who participated in one way or another. I would love to now just mention 3 people who have been incredibly active by posting, I'm sorry, not pictures, not only pictures, but also questions. On the 3rd place, Anna, with 23 questions. Let's give her a round of applause. 2nd place, Martin B. Who is Martin B? Martin B? Left. He left. Okay, 25 questions. And on the 1st place, 85 questions. 85 questions. Geoffrey Martin.
Whoa.
Come join us over here. And actually, that was 2 sessions ago, so probably you were close to 90 questions. Thank you so much.
You definitely earned the stage time. Thank you so much.
Wonderful, and we also promised to give out a prize to the most popular question. So the most popular question was posted by AJ Krieg. Do we have an AJ? Okay, AJ, come join us over here. Congratulations. Actually, the most popular was posted by Anonymous, but I thought that, okay, it will be difficult
Thank you.
appoint that person, so AJ Krieg has posted the most popular one. And this one, would you be okay if we give it out to Martin B. as the 2nd most active person with the pictures? With the questions.
Questions.
All right.
Sure.
You can take it for him. The last question, and we're going to wrap it up. Free Dice 2027. Is it happening? Tomas?
Yes, definitely.
Is there an invitation?
Long thought. As we didn't discuss it before, so we just saw the vibe these days, and it's again hyping up us to think about the future and how to do it even better, or at least the same. But again, without all of you, it wouldn't be possible. So looking forward to see you again.
All right. So thank you all, and see you next year at Free Dice 2027. Have a wonderful time.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thanks.